Good news para sa mga taga Region 10. Meron po tayong walk-in March 20 and 21 sa 3rd floor CKY Center, Capistrano, Chavez Streets, Cagayan de Oro City. Napolcom will give 450 slots for Cagayan de Oro and 450 slots for Iligan City. Dali niyo po ang inyong mga requirements. 5 po yan. Number 1, government-issued ID showing your date of birth. Number 2, certified true copy or CTC of any of the following school documents, pwedeng transcript of records, diploma, or certificate of graduation. Kung wala po kayong CTC, magdala kayo ng original and isubmit ang photocopy nito. Number 3, 2 passport-size colored photos showing yourself wearing a white shirt with a white background. And you should be holding a name tag showing your first name, middle name, and last name. Number 4, 1 legal-size white envelope with 21 pesos worth of postal stamps. And number 5, pangbayad po na 400 pesos para sa exam fee. Tandaan na hindi po tinatanggap ang NBI, barangay at police clearance bilang ID. Join our 15-day final coaching course from April 7 to 25, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays para kayo na ang susunod na hashtag na Polcom Passer. Congratulations po in advance. Kapag may tanong, itype lang po sa comment section.